This is Resmed Stellar 150 Bipap. It works on mains and also it has battery backup. Backside is the on-off switch. This is the mains indicator. This is the internal battery indicator and this is the external battery indicator. This is the alarm indicator and this is the alarm mute button. This button is for changing the monitor or display. This is setup button. This is event log button. This is acknowledgement button and this is therapy button. As you can see, this is the lock unlock button. Now it is locked. It means that you cannot change any setting or you cannot change any mode. So how to unlock it? Press this both button together. Now in this means that for 5 minutes it is unlocked. So for now set the time. OK. Once time is set, this is the monitoring screen. Here you can see the pressure or flow graph. Here you can see minute volume and respiratory graph, leakage, tidal volume, synchronization and oximetry. All these graphs you can see. Here you can select the mask type. So now to set the mode, press this button. Mode, change accordingly whichever mode you want. Set, change the settings, IPAP, EPAP, acknowledge. Once set, start the therapy by this button. By pressing this button, you can see the graph. So now, start the therapy. Once started, this is the IPAP, EPAP which you have set, and this is the patient's respiration. Then from here, you can see the monitoring screen, graphs of the patient. To stop the therapy, single press. Here you can see the event log. So whatever alarms were there, you can see from here. This is the O2 port. Here you can connect the O2 tubing and this is the on-off key.